For travelers, bloggers, influencers, and photographers, a drone can be an essential piece of equipment, allowing you to shoot fresh viewpoints of your trip. Drones have improved to the point that they are quite easy to fly, and many individuals now carry them when traveling. However, there are several factors to consider before you purchase one. So today we'll help you decide which drone best suits you. So let's take a look now at the top 5 drones that are best for beginners. Let's begin. At number 1 is the Snaptane SP510, the foldable GPS drone. This camera drone measures at 13.8 by 12.4 by 2.4 inches. It weighs just 9.5 pounds and is powered by a lithium polymer battery and has a charging time of 2.5 hours. The 1500 milliamp high-capacity drone battery provides up to 16 minutes of flight time. Because the drone and controller are both foldable and rechargeable, the unit is extremely portable. For beginners, the Snaptane SP510 allows you to adjust the flight distance limits so it won't fly away before you figure it out, and the maximum flight relative height is 120 meters. It's extremely user-friendly, featuring one-key takeoff, land and return, auto hover, headless mode, and 3-speed shifts. The drone remembers the home point with its 110-degree FOV, 90-degree rotatable 2.7K camera, and 5G Wi-Fi transmission. You can save your video in MP4 format and your photos in JPEG format. The software displays real-time data on the flight height, distance, and speed. When the battery runs out, the signal goes off, or you can press the return key and it returns automatically. The Snaptane SP510 is simple to use, has a lot of features, and is a lot of fun, and can be a terrific photography tool. Follow Me mode, point of interest, waypoints, and object tracking are just a few examples. At number 2, we have the Holystone HS700D. This drone is extremely silent when flying thanks to its brushless motor. It hardly ever breaks down, and motor replacements are rarely necessary, making your flight more enjoyable. It's powered by a high-capacity 2800 milliamp intelligent battery and has a flight time of up to 22 minutes. A low power alarm is also included. You can really immerse yourself in a long flight. The improved propellers are more powerful and efficient. The propellers can be set up without the need for screws. The improved camera, a 4K FHD 90-degree adjustable camera with a 110-degree FOV lens, is saved on a TF card and provides a panoramic perspective for capturing those unforgettable moments. From 1,640 feet to 2,600 feet away, the 5G transmission offers fast and high-quality FPV real-time video, which is ideal for selfies. With the convenience of a drone app, you can edit and post your new creations immediately to social media. You can also do a one-key start for a rapid start. It can fly while maintaining a constant height. It frees up the pilot to concentrate on camera handling, allowing for more complicated shots. The app control mechanism on the HS700D allows you to draw a route on the app screen and let your drone fly in that direction or in a circle. The best feature about this GPS drone is that it can easily shoot when the drone can follow you to a position and aim the camera at you. Also, even if you mistakenly fly it out of range, the HS700D will always return to point takeoff as per your instructions, or if it runs out of power and loses connectivity. What did you think of our first 2 items? If nothing piqued your interest yet, we still have 3 more to go. If you'd like to see more videos just like this, subscribe to our channel and click on the notification icon so you'll be notified when we post new reviews. And now let's get back to our list. At number 3 is the Vivitar VTI Phoenix foldable GPS camera. The fantastic quadcopter drone is great for recreational use. It's powered by 2 batteries, and the drone has a combined flight time of more than 32 minutes, allowing you to make the most of the 2048 by 1152 pixel video resolution camera with 180-degree dynamic view. Beginners and expert drone flyers will appreciate the one-button auto takeoff and landing. You may also keep the camera focused on specific subjects, areas, and individuals in motion by using the altitude hover and the follow me function with GPS lock. You can fly the Vivitar drone up to 2,000 feet away while maintaining control and transmitting real-time view of the action through the Wi-Fi using 3-speed modes. The Vivitar drone is also lightweight and portable, weighing about 2 pounds and measuring at 8 by 2.5 by 6 inches. There's also a free mobile app called the Vivitar AeroView that's compatible with both iOS and Android smartphones. It's packed in a hardcover carrying case, all of the pieces are secure, and it makes it easy to keep everything together and organized. It also comes with a remote control that folds up for easy storage. At number 4 is the Deerseat D20 foldable mini drone with camera. This mini quadcopter is a small drone with a unique design that gives it a professional appearance. As a quadcopter, it features 4 arms with each 4 rotors. The drone has a number of advantages, one of which is that it's foldable. You'll have no trouble carrying it from one location to another. The D20 is small enough to fit in your pocket, measuring 7 by 5 by 2 inches and weighs 70 grams. The D20 mini quadcopter also includes 500 mAh batteries, which includes and provides 10 minutes of continuous flight time. The benefit of having 2 batteries is that you can use one while the other charges. When the first one runs out of power, you can quickly swap it out for the other, giving you a total of 20 minutes of flight time. The built-in 720p high definition and 60-degree wide-angle camera allow you to capture breathtaking skyscapes. Photos and videos are instantly saved to your smartphone. The altitude hold feature maintains a constant hover at a specific altitude. Under this function, great photographs and videos are achievable. By utilizing the one-key start and landing function, with headless mode, flying this drone is so easy. Did you decide which of these drones you want to bring home? There's no doubt these products are the best on the market for quality and functionality. We still have one more product to go. Comment with your thoughts, questions, or suggestions down below, and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. And now let's check out our final product. At number 5, we have the Contixo F22 foldable GPS drone. The F22 quadcopter Contixo drone is the ideal combination of mobility and power in one experience. You'll never be bothered about disassembling your drone after each use. The drone's foldable wings spread out to about 14 inches wide from the body that cuts through the wind with precision. Fold the wings back in and stored in a convenient carrying case, and you're ready to go to your next trip. The F-22's drone is slender, sleek, and has aerodynamic wings that lift it to new heights. It boasts of a 1,800-foot control range. It also has a video transmission range of up to 750 feet. You can take pictures and videos for 15 to 20 minutes while flying, allowing you to fly longer. The Contixo F-22 drone has assembled dimensions of 12 by 11 by 2.5 inches. It weighs around 242 grams and is available in black. It comes with an ergonomic controller that's simple to use. You can also connect your phone effortlessly to the controller, making manual operation simple and convenient. It has integrated 1080p Wi-Fi HD camera that pans up and down and rotates 90 degrees vertically. It also includes a Follow Me feature that tracks footage of your every move and a Return to Home function that allows the Contixo F-22 to return to the GPS location within 10 feet of where it was first launched. That takes care of our video of the best drones for beginners. We hope this list helped you choose the right one for you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click on the notification icon so you'll know when we release our new videos. Also, leave us a comment down below if you have any suggestions or products in mind that you'd like to see us review. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time right here at the ReviewTube channel.